What's up, guys? Okay, so what's up? So we got a lot of stuff going on today. I picked up the cylinder head this morning, the coilovers came in, the upper control arms came in, so we're gonna get most of the head together. I'm gonna go ahead and get the coilovers on, probably go ahead and get the rear brakes on, get the rear sway bar end links bolted on, rear rotors, rear pads, try to get as much done as possible. So just to show you what's going on over here. So the front coilovers are still in the box because, well, they're marked left and right, so I'm assuming the dampening's actually set for them, or it's because the side of the brake bracket's on, I'm not sure. But I'm just going to leave them in the box so I know which one goes where. But I'll probably go ahead and open one front one, start with it, get it bolted on, get the fork on. I am going to eventually have to take the forks back off to paint them. But, oh, I did buy a tripod earlier. I actually completely forgot about buying the tripod. So I'm going to get it out and I can set it up, and yeah, maybe we can actually get some decent content now without everything being all weird. You know, tripod helps. That's basically all it is. So here's what I ended up going with. These are the Skunk 2 Pro S2s, version 2s. They're the second version of the Pro S2s. The difference in these I really like is it came with its own top hat, and they're the preset, you know, you adjust it by shock body height, not by the preload. The other ones were by preload. So these are going to keep the same spring tension all the way around and just adjusting it by shock so you don't lose shock travel either. So that's a lot better. They did not come with new nuts. You're supposed to use your old ones. Luckily I still have my old ones off my teens. These look a lot better. They still thread on just fine. So I'm going to use those. Okay, so we got those torqued. They look pretty good. So now that the coilover is in here, you gotta put the fork on, and you know it's gonna connect here. They go up to the bottom. In my case, since I still need to put my upper control arms, I'm gonna go ahead and bolt. I'm gonna bolt the fork to the coilover and then just use a jack to raise the lower control arm. I'm not going to tighten it all the ways. It may need a little bit of adjustment since these don't have the little alignment pan on. It's 17 millimeter. Don't ask what this size is, because you know what? Kill me in the comments now. This is how I'm going to go about it. And I will retorque these with weight being on them to, you know, keep from tearing the bushings. I know you gotta do that. For now, I'm trying to get it together. And then once my new wheels are in, heights adjusted, then I'll go back and actually torque everything to spec under load with jack stands under the lower control arms. For now, I am not worrying about torquing it in that sense. So here you can see Skunk 2 coilover, the Willwood brake kit. I'm super happy with the way his footwork is starting to look on this car. Got the hard race bushings. So now the only thing left to do is put on our Skunk 2 upper control arms. I'm going to go ahead and pull out the cotter pin here. And then we're going to figure out what size this is, take it off. I already have my upper bolts out from where I painted my engine bay because I have downstar bolts for those. So I'm going to get those out, and then we're going to go ahead and put in the Skunk 2 Pro Series upper control. As you can see, it's not really a big deal though. So there's our old upper control arm. Ball joint stuff in this actually don't look bad. Bushings aren't bad either, but they don't have adjustable camber. So we're just going to grab our new fairly tight. The hose lined up right there, but I'm going to go ahead and give it another turn. Right there, the hose lined up. So we can go ahead and put our cotter pin in through there. I may turn that just a little more, but as you can see, that's the basic gist of it. It's tight, it pivots around, it's fine. That was a super easy install actually. We usually don't have that good of luck with them, so I'm going to go ahead and get everything on, and then I will show you the finished installation of all the footwork chassis and whatnot. Skunk 2 coilovers on, Skunk 2 upper control arms are on, Downstar hardware is in, SuperTech lost motion assembly is in, the intake is sort of on. What I mean by sort of on, I left one stud in it just for alignment, and I can't get the nut on it, so I don't think everything's completely lined up, so I'm gonna have to loosen it up. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull that stud out, put a bolt back in it, so I gotta take my fuel rail off, and then pull the intake off, pull that stud off, and then get that stud out, check the intake, go ahead and put all the bolts in it, make sure the intake's completely lined up, centered, the best it can possibly fit, then put everything back on. So it is a little bit of a pain. I'm gonna try to go ahead and knock out the rear coilovers today, and then that way I can get the sway bar finished up, set the car down to see kind of where it sits currently, do a minor adjustment on the camber kit by eye. The car just hasn't been sitting down for a long time, so I do want to see it sit down, and then that way I can also go ahead and see the springs compress. I'm gonna try to get everything on the head knocked out today too, so it's a lot of work. Okay, to close this out, I don't know why that didn't work the first time, but I've got a lot of work done today. So here's the DC Sports carbon brace, rear of the car, coilovers are on, sway bars on, the end link is on, if I can get to it to show you guys. Lost motion assembly is in, rockers are in, rods are in, the pins are in. Gotta pull the intake off through one bolt. So yeah, that's pretty much where the car's at. We're super close to getting done. Tuesday I'm going to finish up a lot more, but I think we're going to leave it at that today, guys. If you want to see more, be sure to like, subscribe, watch the next video, but I'm out.